Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So we're gonna do our makeup. So I got my cousin here. So we got lipstick, tissues, and we got wipes. We got eyeshadow.
And lipstick. Now,
Let's get started. Okay. So there was so much lipstick. And we started with eyeshadow. So we're gonna start with our eyeshadow. First I start with my eyeshadow.
I did my lipstick and I'm doing my eyeshadow. Now I'm doing pink.
I am doing 3. Like nobody did 3 at a time. So I'm taking this off. It's like a sword.
Now I'm done and I am starting.
So let me put my eyeshadow on and then I'm gonna put my lipstick on. So I'm doing 3. Like brown, white,
No,
pink.
we need a pink. Somebody else but we go to the party. No, 10 we're party, go to the party. See, we are not a party to see it. 10 we're going to the party.
I got my brown one on. Pretend. So
I'm doing my
white one. No, this is brown.
brown for my eyes.
This is not how you do it.
Yes, my
So, got white here. So I'm gonna look so prettier. Mommy, look at what we're doing it. So, look up and push it on. And then, put this on. Okay. This is getting weirder. This is really getting weird, Mara. What am I doing?